OK, next tonight we have the Heritage Award. And to present it is a man who has quite the heritage himself as a member of one of Britain's finest acting families. From Lewis and Victoria, it's the brilliant Lawrence Fox.
Hi. It's never been more important to take care of the environment and protect our plants and wildlife. This year's Heritage Award goes to an incredible group of people who are doing just that. The remarkable Back from the Brink project aims to save 20 of the UK's most endangered animals, plants and fungi from extinction. Based at more than 40 sites across England, the programme also helps more than 200 at-risk species working to guarantee their survival. We needed someone to find out more, and there was only one man for the job. Steve Batchel went to meet the team and see the amazing work that they're doing.
I'm here in one of the UK's many ancient woodlands, Burnham Beeches, to meet the winners of the National Lottery Heritage Award. These guys aren't just protecting the trees and the animals that can't take care of themselves, but helping to save the planet while they do it. So, James, in a nutshell, what is Back from the Brink?
Back from the Brink is a groundbreaking collaboration of conservation organisations. It's 8 organisations focused on conservation coming together. They've bid for National Lottery funding, and through that we have 19 projects focusing on England's most threatened and endangered species.
And why is this conservation work so important?
Without projects like Back from the Brink, we could lose some of these species from England and in some cases from the face of the planet.
Some of which might not be common parlance, ones that people know?
I think that's exactly the case. You know, people think about endangered species, they think rhinos, tigers, pandas, but we're talking things like the moccasin beetle, the royal splinter cranefly, the knothole moth, species that are just not in people's mindset when they think about conservation endangered species.
You know what, I do this for a living and I haven't heard half of this.
I'm Jane Sears, I work for the RSPB and I'm project officer for the Field Cricket Project, which is a Back from the Brink project trying to bring field crickets back from the edge of extinction.
The Ladybird Spider Project is hoping to establish sustainable populations in Dorset. The ladybird spider is vulnerable to extinction for a number of reasons. The population sizes are quite small. They've got a really specific microhabitat that they require, and they're very vulnerable to disturbance.
OK, so I'm convinced how important these habitats are. Can you tell me how you're creating new ones?
I can do better than tell you. I can show you.
Intriguing.
So, Steve, this is Steph and Paul, and this is a beetle box.
Fantastic. Nice to meet you guys. So, what kind of lovely stuff have we got going into our beetle box?
So inside a natural decaying tree, you will get things like birds nesting and other animals entering. So we put poo inside because birds would poo into the hollows of a natural tree.
So all the guys behind us are gathering rotting vegetation. This is kind of like a teeny tiny tower block for bug life, isn't it?
Absolutely, it's a high-rise block of compost, which takes many, many years to break down and rot down, which is where our particular interesting beetle, the click beetle, is found.
It's been an honour being here with the guys from this incredible project here today. The future of our planet and the plants and animals we share it with is so important, so the work these guys are doing deserves recognition. They are worthy winners of the National Lottery Heritage Award.
From Back from the Brink, please welcome Emma Burt and Rich Howarth.
So we're honoured to receive this recognition of our work to save some of the most endangered species in England from extinction. This is truly a mission to benefit both people and nature. I want to give credit to our excellent staff team that we have on board and to our army of volunteers for all their hard work, and also to our conservation partners for all the great work and support they provided us with. Thank you also to the voting public, and of course thank you to the National Lottery who've done us proud to make this all possible. Thank you.
Well, of course, we're having a birthday celebration for the National Lottery, so it's only right we have some music.
Congratulations! How does it feel to now be a proud recipient of a National Lottery Award?
Absolutely amazing. And it's just such recognition of natural heritage.